Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I am going to tell you about Microsoft Loop versus SharePoint versus Notion versus OneNote. Let's break down these four powerful productivity tools, each offering unique features for organizing work, collaborating, and managing ideas. Microsoft Loop is the newest addition to the Microsoft ecosystem, designed for real-time collaboration. It allows users to create dynamic workspaces where teams can co-edit components like lists, tables, and tasks across Microsoft 365 apps, ideal for fluid, fast-paced collaboration. SharePoint is a powerful platform for enterprise content management, enabling teams to create websites, manage documents, and streamline workflows. It's great for structured collaboration, centralized data storage, and secure information sharing within organizations. Notion stands out for its all-in-one workspace design. It combines note-taking, project management, databases, and collaboration tools into a sleek, customizable interface. Notion works best for creative teams and individuals who prefer flexibility and minimalism. OneNote focuses on digital note-taking, allowing users to organize ideas into notebooks, sections, and pages. Integrated with Microsoft 365, it's a great tool for students, professionals, and anyone needing a structured way to capture and organize thoughts. I have created a comparison table for you. If you want dynamic, real-time collaboration with Microsoft 365 integration, Microsoft Loop is your go-to. It's great for fast-paced teamwork and fluid content sharing. For enterprise-level content management and internal websites, SharePoint shines. It's best for structured collaboration and centralized data storage in large organizations. If you prefer a flexible, all-in-one workspace to manage notes, projects, and databases, Notion offers unmatched customization for creative teams and freelancers. Lastly, for structured digital note-taking with seamless Microsoft integration, OneNote is perfect for students and professionals who want to organize their ideas clearly. In short, Microsoft Loop for live collaboration, SharePoint for enterprise content management, Notion for customizable workspaces, OneNote for structured note-taking. Which tool suits your workflow best? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more productivity tool comparisons. See you in the next one.